I got bandages.
Where's French?
Part 5, I think. I'm not sure.
Guys, I need a coffee, and there's a final one.
Take the coffee. So, putting out fire
I
plus
think
so
it's
much
like-
damage. Can't
Oh,
put
my-
out
I'm
any more
looking
fires. The
Should
fire-
I shoot the black guy?
Oh!
That's my thing.
It recharges. Guys, who wants a homie? Who wants to take the homie?
I'm treating my. I'm gonna go as fast as I can for my homie.
Yeah, Ratchet's a bro. Ratchet should be the next squad
Yeah,
member.
homie went so fast. It only took me 2 seconds.
Ratchet should be the next squad member.
What the hell are you doing? Okay. Oh, I was about to check the cams.
Ah,
Thank you.
there's Ratchet here. Oh, hi, Bo. Hey, what's up?
Yeah. Bro's just chilling. Was Bro here last time?
Yeah. I think Ratchet should be our new squad member. He should be the next.
He is a new squad member. Look at him.
He's a squad member. I'm checking the cam. Oh my god! Someone got to room 3.
I will. Me and Daniel will take care of it.
Yeah. Right, squad, let's go.
Yeah, I get to stay with Ratchet.
Yeah, you're chilling with your homie. Live 33 Saturday.
Can someone fix the camera for me?
I have 18.
Okay, I'll fix it.
Yeah, Connor, you can take the coffee. It's about to be done. In 50 seconds.
Hello, Raku. You're my favorite bro.
Ratchet
Yeah, no,
is a
he's with
bro.
us now. Can someone treat the patients? There's 3 patients, please.
Nobody offers cheese. Ratchet, I'll give you some cheese.
Daniel, can you treat the patients, please? Someone treat the
Give
patients.
Ratchet some cheese. Ratchet,
Daniel, treat the patients.
I was just giving them cheese.
I already gave him that.
Oh,
Ratchet is just greedy.
Ratchet was hey, don't say that about the Ratchet.
I already gave him cheese.
Oh. Well, he said he wants more.
I gave him 2 blocks of cheese. No,
Oh.
I gave him 2 wheels of cheese.
Oh.
Xavier, I think that's enough. Daniel, I'm trying to work this whole hospital myself.
I'm working room 7.
Just don't
Yeah,
mess up.
Daniel went from 7.
Oh, I thought you were chilling with Raku.
Well, yeah, why wouldn't you chill with that?
Wait, Ratchet has a twin sister.
What?
Regina. Ratchet has a twin sister named Regina.
Ratchet.
I hope he brings Regina here.
Yeah,
I want to see Regina.
Ah, nobody.
Where?
Where are you gonna?
Room 6.
Oh, stop! He attacked me, guys.
No.
Who has the lowest sanity? Say your sanity in 3, 2, 1. 22.
11.
Gunnar, you can have it. I have 10 sanity.
Take your guess to the next one.
Then one day she just vanished. Rachita just vanished, he just said. Zavo.
What?
Rathi, he just said Rashina vanished one day.
Oh,
Regina, no.
I can nearly find a teddy bear.
Supply faster champion. Thanks for the team.
Because I'm saving up for the teddy bear, okay? No matter what, I'm getting the teddy bear.
Alright.
Everyone's safe on the cans, guys, don't worry.
Well, she's flying.
Only here is anomaly.
Fire at you! Oh, you're such
Matthews are bro.
Matthew's the fourth clan
You know
member.
what I'd like to do?
Matthew should be the fourth clan member.
Daniel, are you gonna work? Daniel, go to room 2!
I know. Oh, Connor got the fire extinguisher.
Oh,
I don't have
I
it.
thought you had it.
No!
What?
No!
I'll revive you, Connor, I'll revive you!
Thank you.
Connor, which room are you in?
2!
You're the hero.
You got 17 seconds. 14, 15, 14.
You're back!
Thank you.
Bro, there's fire in my fire.
Now you owe me 50 cents.
You hear me?
Go on, say it on my phone.
You're going out. It's a lovely day.
It's out of charge. This might be when the disaster strikes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll have to.
we're being Daniel died.
Oh, I'm 28 sanity.
Wait, Connor, that means you don't need a coffee. Now I get the next coffee because I have 20 sanity.
Yes, I
How much sanity do you all have?
No, Ratchy's leaving! Ratchy!
Say goodbye to a fellow squad member.
Wait! Took this key from the dock. Take key. I got a key.
Open the briefcase with the key.
Red Whiskers painted.
Open the briefcase with the key.
First I room 3.
Open the briefcase with the key.
There's goop.
Why are there so much fires?
I don't know.
My queue is very wiggly.
Oh, coffee ready.
Okay.
Coffee. Why is there so much fire?
This needs to charge. The fire extinguisher needs to charge. So don't touch it.
I need a coffee.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it.
I need a coffee. I got
I'm
the
using 6.
coffee.
Oh yeah, I can't.
The deck is very busy.
Cry, there's a smiley face in the wall.
I found the key.
Yeah, try on the briefcase.
Oh. Oh yeah, you're a genius. No, it doesn't work. Wait, guys, someone go to the desk for me. I'm gonna look everywhere to see where I can use the key here. Guys, tell me if you see any locked things.
The shop. Wait, Xavier, come. The no access place.
No, I tried that.
Oh.
And I heard an anomaly.
Oh. I have so bad aim. I was literally right up to him and I missed.
I shot him.
I know, I tried to.
I
but
think patience waiting.
my aim is so bad.
Guys, can someone help me be a doctor? Guys, can someone help me be a doctor? Because there's a
I'm a
lot of patients.
doctor.
I'll be a doctor because no more patients are coming.
I'm helping with room 7.
I'm doing room 3.
This stalker guy is chasing me then.
Run!
I am running.
Yeah, if a stalker
Yes,
chasing
I can.
you, just
I
run.
got touched! Someone touched me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help! Help! Help!
I got you. Right.
Get inside.
because they blend into the walls.
Yeah, they can go to walls entities.
Damn, I'm 19 sanity.
You can't trust entities. Battery was a good entity.
Entity is not. Matthew's not an entity.
Oh yeah, he's a good guy. No, he's the fourth squad member.
No.
I got fourth man.
I was actually so scared.
Sarah.
Guys, there's so many roommates. Someone get roommate, please.
I'll get roommate. I'll get room.
I got the if drops.
Guys, who needs a coffee?
Not me.
I do. I can't do the ritual. My sanity is only 12.
Okay, I'll do the ritual.
I'm doing it. I'm sacrificing.
No, Zara, I'll do it.
Oh! 5 sanity
I
left.
got the final candle.
Xavier needs the coffee.
Yeah, Dax.
Daniel, no, you take it. You take it, Daniel. You take it.
I already got it. You get the next one.
Oh. Shit. I'm gonna die.
You're not. I believe in
I have
you.
2 sanity.
You what?
2 sanity.
You'll make it.
No,
I know
and
you
now
will.
I have 1 sanity. I have 1 sanity now.
I know you're gonna make it, Savo.
My screen is grey.
We're gonna live
I
forever.
can't see anything.
Okay, there's surgery and roommate. It's fine.
Savo, no. No, Savo. Coffee's ready in 110 seconds.
Wait, Zavo. Have you tried opening up this door with the key?
Guys, I'm about to die. I actually have 3 sanity because Daniel shot me.
Yeah, and you shot me.
That's because I can't do anything. My screen is black. I can't see anything. What are you trying to do? I
Wait, your
can't do
screen's
anything.
actually black.
Yes.
Oh.
I hear something. I hear something. I hear something. I hear something.
Okay, he's healing.
Coffee's done in 40 seconds.
If I get to 1 sanity, I'm buying this chocolate. No. I'm in the middle of a game. With my friends. I can't let them down.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end the video.